I bless the teachers. May their work be supported with light. And finally, think about all the people who have loved you, all the people who have stood by you, all those who have made you smile, touched you, held you even for a moment, including all the invisible beings who have protected you from calamity. All your guides, watchers, healers, they are with you right now. Feel their embrace, kissing you with the wind. Breathe in the love from all of us. I bless those who have loved me, and I send them my love. Once more, breathe in all of our love. Breathe it in, and let's send it out once more to the whole planet. Imagine bathing the planet in purple, healing light. I am a part of the healing of this planet. I am a part of the love. I am a part of the ascension. Thank you for being here. Thank you for this divine reunion. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your love. God bless you.